Hey, my name's Austin. I'm the store manager here at our Greensboro Hose and Fitting store, and today we're going to be reviewing the BrakeQuip product line. I've been making brake hoses out of BrakeQuip products now for about 10 years, and I've had a lot of success with it. It's a very good product, OEM quality. If you're looking for an upgrade for your existing system, replacement, or you're just modifying something, come in and check it out. Now, let me walk you through the process of making one. So here we are at our assembly station. First thing we're going to do is identify the threads that we need. I've already identified these as an M10 by 1, so 10 millimeter by 1. BrakeQuip provides this beautiful testing kit, so we have female and male threads to test with. So we've got our threads identified. Next we're going to mark our insertion depth on the hose. Insert our ends. BrakeQuip provides a lot of good stuff. One thing they could do is they could probably provide a few more options. As we see the market change, there's a lot more customization needed and a lot more configurations that are out there. So I'd like to see a little bit more of an offering from their end. But as far as the product, it's a great quality. We're able to test it. It exceeds over 3,000 PSI before we ever send it out with our customers. We ensure that there's no leaks before they ever get it and put it on their car. Now we're going to take this over to our crimper. We'll crimp it and we'll come back and we'll give it a good test. So we've got our hose crimped. Now we're going to test it to make sure it won't leak before we send it out the door. Lock it down. We're going to charge it up and look for leaks. Safety first. And we'll wait and look for a pressure drop. And we're holding steady. No leaks. Hose is good. All right, so that's a brake hose assembly. Thanks for joining us today. A few things to recap. BrakeQuip makes a very good product, very reliable, a lot of good safety involved. We test everything, safety first and foremost. Other than that, if you need anything else, come by the store and see us or go to our website, crossco.com.